Let's talk cat farts. What's normal versus what's not. Darling, we need to talk. Not about fur balls, not about scratching posts. Today, we're diving nose deep first into something every cat parent has secretly wondered. Do cats fart? And more importantly, when is it normal and when should we worry? Welcome back to Perfectly Posh, where we keep it cute, classy, and occasionally gassy. I'm Emma, and today we're unpacking the mystery of feline flatulence. That's right, we're talking cat farts, the silent, sometimes deadly whispers of your fur baby's digestive secrets. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Do cats actually fart? Let's start with the basics. Yes, cats do fart. Just like us, just like dogs, just like your grandma after Sunday roast. A feline fart is usually just a build-up of gas in the digestive tract, released through the rectum. It's natural, it happens. The question is, why it happens and when. Whether it's something to ignore or investigate. Chapter 2. What causes flatulence? So, let's break it down. What actually causes your posh little prince or princess to turn into a walking whoopee cushion? Number 1. Swallowed air, aerophagia. Just like humans, cats can swallow air while eating or grooming. This is especially common in greedy eaters, brachycephalic breeds like Persians or nervous cats. More air equals more gas buildup. Tip: try slow feeder bowls if your cat gobbles food like it's a race. Number 2, diet. This is the biggie. Certain ingredients can wreak havoc on your kitty's tummy. Common culprits: dairy. Yes, despite all the cartoons. Grains and wheat. Soy or peas in commercial foods. Spoiled foods or table scraps. And too much fiber. Cats are obligate carnivores. Their bodies are designed for meat, not carbs, fillers, or human leftovers. Number 3, food intolerances or allergies. Some cats develop sensitivities over time. Common signs include frequent farting, diarrhea, vomiting, itchy skin, and hair loss. If your cat's farts come with other symptoms, food intolerance could be the cause. Number 4, parasites. Intestinal parasites like worms or giardia can mess with gut flora, leading to explosive results. Get a stool sample checked if things seem off. Number 5, gut infections or inflammations. Conditions like IBD, inflammatory bowel disease, can cause gas, bloating, and pain. This isn't just about stink, it's about gut health. Chapter 3. When should you worry? Let's get serious for a sec, boo. A little gas is normal, but constant, foul-smelling or painful gas? Red flag. Call your vet if you notice excessive farting multiple times a day, diarrhea lasting more than 48 hours, weight loss or poor appetite, vomiting alongside gas, loud stomach gurgling, bloated belly, and blood in stool. Persistent flatulence is sometimes a symptom, not just a quirk. Chapter 4. The smell scale. What's normal? Let's be honest, some farts are sneak attacks, but others, honey, they make you question everything. Smell chart breakdown. Number 1. Mild and occasional. Usually normal, rotten, but rare. Keep an eye out. Frequent and foul. Investigate food or health. Gas and diarrhea. Book a vet. Gas and weight loss / vomiting. Urgent check. Chapter 5. What should cats eat to reduce farting? A healthy gut equals a less gassy cat, period. Golden food rules. High protein, low carb. Avoid dairy. Avoid fillers such as wheat, soy, and corn. Try limited ingredient diets. Add moisture, wet food or bone broth. Add probiotics, vet approved. I add a dash of pumpkin puree unsweetened to my cat's meals, gentle fibre to regulate digestion, as well as giving them fish oil. Bonus additions: slippery elm bark soothes digestion, and digestive enzymes helps break down food. Chapter 6. Myth busting, cat fart edition. Let's bust a few myths, shall we? Myth number 1. Cats don't fart. Truth, they do, just quietly and sneakily. Myth number 2. It's always the food's fault. Truth, it could be air swallowing, illness, or parasites too. Myth number 3. If it smells bad, something's wrong. The truth? Sometimes, but not always. Some cats are just gassy babes. Myth 4. A farting cat is a funny cat. Truth? Humour is good, but chronic gas deserves a wellness check. Chapter 7. Lifestyle tips for a less gassy cat. It's not just what they eat, it's how they live. Number 1. Use slow feeders. This stops gulping and air swallowing. Number 2. Regular play. Movement boosts digestion and reduces bloating, as well as boredom. Cats are sensitive queens. Stress impacts gut health. Create calm spaces. Use pheromone diffusers and keep routines predictable. Number 4. Inter-trade checks. Always monitor poop health. Changes in colour, texture, or smell can signal deeper issues. Number 5. Regular vet checkups. Prevention is so much better than dealing with a bloated, miserable kitty later. Chapter 8. Anubis and bastet's flatulent files. Anubis. Dear diary, it was the salmon mousse again. I cleared the room and I feel no remorse. They call it gas. I call it feline dominance. Now, bastet. She needs to lay off the treats. I'm a lady. We don't do that. And that, my loves, is how a queen and a menace coexists. Chapter 9. When flatulence is part of something bigger. Let's touch on serious possibilities again. Chronic flatulence can be linked to IBD, pancreatitis, GI lymphoma, gut flora imbalance, food allergies, and liver issues. Which is why consistent symptoms deserve attention. Trust your gut and your cats. Chapter 10. Products that help. Now you know me, I don't gatekeep. Here are some cat mama approved products that help: slow feeder bowls, licky mats, ceramic spirals, etc. Purina Fortiflora probiotic, instinct limited ingredient diets, Pet Lab digestive chews, pumpkin powder or puree, and tummy friendly wet foods, Tiki Cats, Weruva, Royal Canine Digest Sensitive. Final thoughts: don't shame the gas, understand it. Look, babes, gas is part of life, but as pet parents, we owe it to our fur babies to notice when something's off. A change in smell, behaviour or appetite, that's them talking to you. So laugh at the occasional toot, but stay curious, stay aware, and stay posh. If your cat's ever crop dusted you off the couch, hit that like button. If you learned something new, subscribe for more wholesome content, and drop a comment below. What's the funniest thing your cat has done mid-fart? Until next time, stay fabulous, stay formidable, and stay out of the stink zone. Bye, babes.